Hello cherry viewers, welcome back to Sandy Home Recipe. Mama call about Sandy Home Recipe. Then they can out share video. Mema rem subscribe. Now I share. Now I like it. No me notification bell no. See the video bia better one sabeka. And if you say vegetable stir fry. Me ye na me taste it tastes really nice. What the saucepan vegetables now this way the egum. What do broccoli by say over once. Curry flour aka home. Chop carrots. Now one manesi so eku kakra. Nche mebre, we are no ye fi ensuo nim. Now they see in chen. What the 1/3 cup water begu ademu. What the 2 teaspoon cornstarch aka ho. 1 tablespoon oyster sauce. 2 tablespoon dark soya. One mixing it all together. We are now the see in chain. Saucepan basic jar so. Now the amaka cry the egumu. We the chop garlic, egumu, chop onion, akahu, spring onion. Now what stir frying it all together. We are not the chop onion which try to see akahu. No wakoso stir fry. Bell pepper. Now the vegetables now no kakra na yeden abegum. No wakoso yeden stir fry. With the salt, egg, all pepper spices, akahu. Please, if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and also click the bell icon to get new video we will post. And I'm this channel we see channel the begumu sauce mix channel. Now I'm mixing it together. If my choice in the can I'll share a video. Remember to subscribe. Now I share. Now I like it. No me notification bell no. Say the video be better one sabeka. I know I am ready. Now I try. Now I serving it with white rice. Me even na me tasty and it tastes really nice. Now this is our vegetable stir fry. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.